Hello, Bigwood Fitness friends. As you can see, we've got a new machine in the facility. This is called a belt squat. By far, my favorite machine of all time. Believe it or not, this is a total body monster, right? Okay, let's talk about the machine anatomy real quick. We have our trolley, we have our loading pins, we have our spotter arms, and our trolley hook. Below that, we have our resistance band pegs. Now, the way that this works is you slap on the plates. If you're feeling super spicy for the day or you want to get extra credit, you slap on a band, just like so, and then you head around to the other side of the machine and start your work. Okay, so like I was saying, the general anatomy of the machine, just from this angle, we've got our trolley hook, we've got our trolley, we've got our spotter arms, and one thing to note is the cable. We always want to check the cable and make sure that it is in the pulley before we start. Now, the basic move is the belt squat. What you're going to do is you're going to put the belt around your pelvis. You're going to reach down. You're going to grab the carabiner. You're going to clip into the D-rings, just like so. And then you're going to stand up onto the machine. Once you're ready to squat and the belt is nice and fit, you're going to pull back the spotter arm, releasing the trolley from the hook, and then you're going to start your squats. Just like that. There are many variations of the squat you can do. You can do a nice wide squat for the hips, a nice narrow squat for the quads. You can even hack squat on this thing, right? Fantastic. After you've finished your set, you'll go ahead and place the spotter arm forward, drop the trolley into the trolley hook, and release yourself from the belt. Okay? One thing that I have noticed in the gym is notice that this belt is black and this belt is yellow. The yellow belt is not for this machine. Okay? It's for other stuff. All right. That's the basics of the belt squat.